Time. Topics covered: reading the clock, telling time to the nearest 5 minutes, telling the time to the quarter hour, conversion of time, time using AM and PM, calendar. Reading the clock. The dial of the clock is divided into 60 small divisions. The minute hand, long hand, takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next number. So, the minute hand takes 5 into 12 is equal to 60 minutes to complete one round of the dial. The time taken by the minute hand to complete one round is called 1 hour. Thus, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. The hour hand, which is shorthand, takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next number on the dial of the clock. Between any two consecutive numbers, there are 5 divisions. Each division stands for a minute. We can count in steps of 5 to calculate minutes. The minute hand at 1 shows 1 into 5 is equal to 5 minutes. The minute hand at 2 shows 2 into 5 is equal to 10 minutes. The minute hand at 3 shows 3 into 5 is equal to 15 minutes, and so on. And the minute hand at 11 shows 11 into 5 is equal to 55 minutes. Telling time to the nearest 5 minutes. In this clock, the hour hand is at 2. The minute hand is at 1. That is, at 5 small divisions from 12, we say that the time is 5 minutes past 2 and write it as 2:05. These dots separate the hours from the minutes. We write the hours on the left side of the dots and the minutes on the right side of the dots. In this clock, the hour hand is a little past 4 and the minute hand is at 2. That is, 10 small divisions from 12, we say that the time is 10 minutes past 4 and write it as 4:10. When the minute hand has moved past 6, we write and say the time is under 2:35. 35 minutes past 2. The same clock dial shows that there are 25 minutes before it is 3 o'clock. So we write it as 25 minutes to 3. The time on the clock given below can be written and read in different ways as 1:50, 50 minutes past 1, 10 minutes to 2, 4:55, 55 minutes past 4, 5 minutes to 5, 12:40, 40 minutes past 12, 20 minutes to 1. Telling the time to the quarter hour. Quarter past, half past, quarter to. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Half an hour is equal to 60 into half minutes, which is equal to 30 minutes. Quarter hour is equal to 60 into 1/4 minutes, which is equal to 15 minutes. Now, look at these clocks. The hour hand is between 5 and 6. The minute hand is at 3. The time is 5:15. Generally, we read it as quarter past 5. The hour hand is halfway between 7 and 8. The minute hand is at 6. The time is 7:30. Generally, we read it as half past 7. The hour hand is between 3 and 4. The minute hand is at 9. The time is 3:45. Generally, we read it as quarter to 4. Now let's learn conversion of time. We already know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 year is equal to 12 months, which could have 365 or 366 days. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 month, you could have 30 or 31 days. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60, which is equal to 3600 seconds. Example: how many minutes are there in 4 hours? Solution: since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 4 hours is equal to 4 into 60 minutes is equal to 240 minutes. Example: convert 7 hours 35 minutes into minutes. So 7 hours 35 minutes is equal to 7 into 60 minutes plus 35 minutes. So 7 into 60 is 420 minutes plus 35 minutes, which is equal to 455 minutes. Example:
a train takes 2 days, 8 hours to reach its destination. How many hours is it? Solution: 2 days, 8 hours is equals to 2 into 24 hours plus 8 hours is equals to 48 hours plus 8 hours, which equals to 56 hours. Hence, the train takes 56 hours to reach its destination.
Example:
Mohit finished his homework in 3 hours 28 minutes. How many minutes is it? Solution: 3 hours 28 minutes is equals to 3 into 60 minutes plus 28 minutes, which equals to 180 minutes plus 28 minutes, which equals to 208 minutes.
Example:
convert 5 years into months. Solution: 1 year is equals to 12 months. 5 years is equals to 5 into 12 months, which equals to 60 months. Time using AM and PM. We use AM and PM to show the time of the day when something takes place. For example, the school starts at 9 AM. The night college starts at 6:30 PM. AM stands for ante-meridian or time before noon. PM stands for past meridian or time after noon. Remember, we do not write AM or PM with 12 o'clock. Instead, we write 12 noon and 12 midnight. Examples: 11:40 in the morning is equals to 11:40 AM. 5:20 in the evening is equals to 5:20 PM. 12:15 in the afternoon is equals to 12:15 PM. So, AM means the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon. PM means the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight.
Calendar.
A calendar is a record of the months and days of a year. We know that there are 7 days in a week. The days of the week in order are as follows: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday is the first day of the week, and Sunday is the last day of the week. There are 12 months in a year. The months of the year with the number of days in each month in order are as follows. First month, January, with 31 days. Second month, February, with 28 days. Third, March, with 31 days. Fourth month, April, with 30 days. May, with 31 days. June, with 30 days. July, with 31 days. August, with 31 days. September, with 30 days, October with 31 days, November with 30 days, December with 31 days. There are 365 days in an ordinary year, and the month of February has 28 days. But every fourth year, February has 29 days, and such a year is called as a leap year. Remember, 10 years make a decade, 100 years make a century. Look at the following calendar for the year 2023. A calendar date helps us to identify a specific day represented within the calendar. For example, the first Saturday of January 2023 is identified as 7th January 2023, which can be written in short form as 7/01/2023 or 7-01-2023 or 07.01.2023, where 01 represents the month number, 2023 the year, and 07 the date. The format can be written generally as DD/mm/YYYY, where DD is equals to day, MM is equals to month, and YYYY is equals to year. Example: what is the date on the fourth Monday of October? The day on the fourth Monday of October is 23. The month number is 10. The year is 2023. Therefore, the corresponding date is 23/10/2023 or 23.10.2023. Thoughts: if Monday falls 5th day of the month, on which date does the next Monday fall? The next Monday will fall on 12th date of the month. Mary studied for 2 hours. If she finished at 6:30 p.m., when did she start? She started at 4:30 p.m. If the last month was September, what will be the next month? After September, it is October. So, the next month will be October. If today is 31st January, what will it be tomorrow? If today is 31st January, tomorrow it will be 1st of February. If tomorrow is Sunday, what day was yesterday? If tomorrow is Sunday, yesterday would be Friday. Values and life skills. Mrs. Sharma, with the help of 2 of her neighbors, has opened a small school in the community center of their colony where they teach the children from the nearby areas for free. These children cannot afford to go to a proper school. The school runs from 10:30 to 12:45 in the morning. How long is that? The school is for 2 hours and 15 minutes. Rashi goes for a walk every day at 6:30 in the morning and returns at 7:30. For how much time does she walk daily? She walks for 1 hour daily. Hati starts her homework at 4:45. That means 4:45. If she finishes it in 1 hour, at what time does she finish her homework? Hati finishes her homework at 5:45.
Scratch your brain. Devish mother bakes a cake for him. She starts at 11 o'clock. She takes 20 minutes for the preparation and then puts the cake in the oven. It took 50 minutes for the cake to be baked. She has taken 10 more minutes for icing the cake. When was the cake ready? Devish mother started cake at 11 o'clock. She took 20 minutes for the preparation. So the time is 11:20. And then 50 minutes for the cake to be baked. So 11:20 plus 50 minutes is 12:10. Again she has taken 10 more minutes. So add 10 to 12:10, it becomes 12:20. So the cake was ready by 12:20. Enrichment. 24-hour clock. Air and railway travel timetables do not use AM and PM to show times. Instead, they use a 24-hour clock time. One 24-hour clock is shown below. In it, the hours from each midnight to the next one are numbered from 0 to 24. 1 AM is written as 0100 hours. 8 AM is written as 0800 hours. 12 noon is written as 1200 hours. 1 PM is written as 1300 hours. 2 PM is written as 1400 hours. 11 PM is written as 2300 hours. 12 midnight is written as 2400 hours or 0000 hours. Look at these clocks. If it is in the morning, we say the time is 0230 hours. If it is in the afternoon, we say the time is 1430 hours. Now look at this. The time is 0610 hours if it is in the morning. It is 1810 hours if it is in the evening. Now look at this. The time is 1106 hours if it is morning. It is 2306 hours if it is at night.